What's going on, everybody? So I want to start off with my first video for this channel, tell you what I'm about, what I want this channel to be about, and how I think it can help you. So I am an engineering student. I am a non-traditional engineering student, and I am starting my junior year this year, and I want to share the excitement and the thrill of engineering and what it can bring into your life. The cool things you could ever think of, dream up, imagine you could build. It's a whole new world on something that you could think in your head and then hold it in your hand. It's an amazing thing, and I want to share that with you. So I want to welcome you to the Daniel K Project. And what better way to kick it all off than is to design a toilet for space. It turned out, I just ended up stumbling across it actually yesterday, and the more I thought about it, the more I kind of thought, hey, this could be a good way to kick off this channel. So what it is NASA put out there, and they're asking for the public to help, and they want help in submissions for designing a toilet for the next lunar landing. Now, how cool would that be? You know, have something that you designed up there on the moon. Yeah, I know astronauts pooping in it, but it's still something you would design. And that chicken needs to get down. I gotta go. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think I pooped on me. So we're gonna kick it off, and I'm gonna take you to the computer right now to show you what I'm talking about.
Alright, as promised, here it is. The NASA Lunar Loo Challenge. The space toilet, the cosmic pooper, the astronaut urinal. Anyway, alright, NASA wants to go back to space by 2024, but they have one problem when they go to the moon. They don't have a place to use the restroom, so they need a new one. Well, why not? Why not just ask some people to design one for you? And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So there's a bunch of requirements that are listed that need to be met. So it has to work in microgravity, has to work in lunar gravity. So the lunar gravity is about 1/6 of what we feel here on Earth. So it is less, but you won't have particles flying around, if you know what I mean. There's a bunch of stipulations, there's a bunch of requirements that you have to meet. And we'll get into those on the next video when I walk through kind of what the project's about. But I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what it's talking about, because sometimes when someone tells you that they're going to build a toilet for space, you kind of scratch your head and think, why? Well, this is why. So being an engineering student, I like to think outside of the box, and I like to come up with new ways to do things. So when I ran across this, it kind of seemed like a perfect opportunity to do just that. And I thought, well, why not get some help with you guys? I'm sure a bunch of smart people out there. The prize, $35,000. And I think it's split between the first top 3, and they have a bunch of other stipulations. I'll go through that in the next video and actually start this series. And yeah, so here's some guidelines, here's the specifications that I was talking about. We'll go deeper into those. The prize, cash prize, and they also have a junior spot. So if you're under the age of 17, you can also participate, but unfortunately you can't win the prize money. But you can participate, and I think it's great for the younger STEM community to be able to interact and to be able to participate in stuff like this. I know if I was that age, I'd definitely dive in and do that. So here's the little kicker, is the timeline. Yeah, I kind of found it a little late, but that's okay. I have about a month. Yeah. So the submission deadline is August 17th, and it is July 15th right now. So we got our work cut out for us, and why am I wasting time here telling you about it when I can go ahead and get started doing some design work? Alright. Should we start? If you think we should start, hit that like button. I'll wait. Thanks for watching. I hope you will consider subscribing and helping me on this project, since it does have a tight deadline, and I'm sure I will run into some issues that stump me, and I probably need your help. So I'll see you next time. Cheers.